is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, my name's Baked, and I'm just a normal everyday bike rider. But today, as you see, we finally got a riding buddy back. Bro's on the brand new freaking FZ07. Sexy. Got the neon wheels. Oh, I didn't even see that guy. We're going out to the lot for a little bit. He's freaking ripping that thing already, bro. But yeah, he just bought it today, literally. And it looks so good. It's the newest bike either of us have ever had. And he's freaking popping wheelies on it already. God dang, I was in third. Sheesh! Yo! Woohoo! Freaking wheel spin, holy! Anyways, we're heading to the lot real quick for some wheelie practice. Woo, it just got cold. But we're going, it's the weekend now, so we're going to the big lot. Heck yeah. Not stuck on the tiny lot. Bro's being a speed racer. I'm not about that life anymore. But all the power to him. That bike is freaking fun and flicky as crap. And freaking awesome for wheelies too. And it sounds so good, dude. He's got the Prokovich or whatever. Bro, that was sick. Bro, that thing is so mint. Who even are you? Huh? Who even are you? You're on a nice bike.
I don't know, man.
Huh?
New year, new me.
I guess. It looks like we still got some people here. I guess bro does not care. God dang, he's ripping that thing. Bro, you just did a freaking huge wheelie. Yeah, you. Blah. You think it's fine?
Huh?
You think it's fine?
Well, this guy don't work here, so. Just do a couple.
Alright. God dang, bro. Yo, bro's actually good. Holy crap. Good for him, dude. Freaking flying up on those wheelies.
Hey guys, I just traded my 66.
God dang, this thing is weird, dude. Where's the...
It's that red button, pull it down.
Oh, really? Woo! Let's switch! Forever! Dude, this is so weird. He's letting me ride the FZ. Yeah, sorry, I said MT earlier. I meant FZ. This thing is freaking... Sounds so good, dude. Gonna stall it. Dang, this is weird positioning than what I'm used to. What the? And the throttle's a lot tighter. Oh, what the frick? The throttle's like laggier than I'm used to. Woohoo! Dude, this thing is squishy as crap to ride. Throttle's a little bit sticky, feels like. Brakes are good as crap. Bro, this thing feels like I'm riding a freaking couch or something, and the body position is so like comfortable. This is the newest bike I've ever ridden, bro. This actually has a digital dash. What the crap, bro? This is sick. I feel like I'm on my dirt bike from back in the day, dude. What the crap? It's freaking sick, dude. Ah, screw your speed camera. Doing. Which way? I gotta try hard not to stall this thing. Woo! Holy torque! Bro, this thing is weird to ride, but it's comfy. It's so small. I'm not stretched out like I am on the freaking stunt bike. Chad, next bike? No. Bro is racing my stunt bike. Alright. Dude, this thing is freaking nice. Woohoo! Don't want to go too crazy on it, since it ain't my bike, and I'm not used to this at all. Dude, this thing sounds so good. Probably can't even hear that well on video. The bottom end torque is just crazy. Dude, this thing is fast. Faster than I thought, actually. Freaking sick, dude. Gotta not freaking loop the, well, freaking loop this thing. Oh yeah, I know where we are. Chat, blinkers? What is that? I feel like this thing almost stalls when I come to a stop. So like, oh. Keep stalling, this thing is so low. The RPMs are so low. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dude, this thing's freaking sick. I'm not gonna get this thing up at third. I'm not a professional like that. Hey, chill out! My exhaust is so rattly. This is so freaking torquey. This is fun. Switching bikes with bro. Title of the video. What the heck was that?
What you do?
Huh?
You like it?
Dude, it's freaking weird. I keep stalling it. It's so low. The RPMs. But yes, it's smooth, dude. And torquey. You like how it sounds?
Yeah, it sounds good right on top of the bike, but behind it, it kind of sounds like a 400.
I think it sounds good. There we go. Alright, homies, heading out for a little dinner. Even though it's already kind of late. What is vibrating? I don't know. It's alright. God dang, I should have worn my freaking Vans. These shoes are low-key loose on me. It's fine. But yeah, we're gonna get a little Chick-fil-A, you already know. Bro's on the brand new FZ. Sexy as fuck, boy. That thing is really nice. It looks so good, dude. I love that tail light. Got the brights on, time to go. My boy, freaking doing the wheelies. Heck yeah. It is a beautiful night out tonight. Still in the 70s. Just got dark. Summer is finally back. Holy. I'm waiting for bro to zoom by. And there it is. Told ya. Oh, I see another biker. Chat, we gonna get a little wheelie right here? What's up, dude? What's that? What is that?
It's a ZX6R.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, 01.
Dang, this is a 03. I like it.
Thank you.
Sick, man.
Yeah.
Alright. Sick, bro. Aha, nice. Bro's got an 01 ZX6R. Ah, frick, man. I saw bro's light go up too. Him doing a wheelie. Sick. See if we can find a close parking spot here. Nice. And we here.